all had our fair share of end-of-the-world and zombie apocalypse talks. While our current situation is not nearly as disastrous as the end of the world, the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting our normal everyday life. Everywhere you go requires a mask to be worn, first responders are exhausted, and hospitals run out of space for patients. One of the main steps towards returning to normal life is social distancing. By always keeping a 6-foot distance from other people, we lower the risk of spreading COVID-19. The problem is, how do we know when we are inching closer than 6 foot to other people? Our proposed solution to this problem is to create a wearable or attachment that can be used to measure the user distance from other people, along with monitoring their internal temperature. If the sensor measurement is under 6 foot, according to the CDC's guidelines, it would then alert the user to move away using a rumble motor. Another feature this system will have is a thermal camera attached to it to monitor the people around the user. This will help identify anyone that possibly has COVID symptoms. Using Arduino and ultrasonic sensors, our product measures the distance between the wearer and the surrounding people. The major tasks of finishing this device are to put together the Arduino pieces and testing the device, checking whether it can detect people within 6 feet distance with the alert system working. Using the thermal sensor, the SC alert can separate between actual people and objects. Some challenges we faced or will be facing in the process are that we will need to learn some skills and test multiple times on how to put all the Arduino pieces together to make the device work. As you can see, this is a basic diagram of our product. Having the Arduino as the main control board as it is connected to the thermal sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and the buzzer for the alerting feature. This system will be powered by a 9-volt battery. All the sensors will be attached on the belt clip of the user, while the Arduino and the battery will be stored in either the user pants or backpack. We successfully programmed a device to detect when another person is within 6 feet of the wearer, although the readings were not exactly 6 feet each time. The device also successfully detects only people and not objects. We discovered that it does not work outside in the heat because of the heat signature. After bringing it inside, we also tested that different people would set off the device at different distances. With our prototype, the device acts as a belt for the wearer where the wires fit into the pocket. Some errors that might be the effect of the results given by the testing experiments is that the minimum of the 6-foot guideline was not accurate, and according to the standard deviation graph from our testing experiment, it is shown that the average distance is still below the 6-foot distance. The SC alert encourages social distancing by both reminding the user that they need to stay 6 feet from others and ensuring that the distance they are keeping is 6 feet. This is an effective step towards clearing the pandemic in a simple and user-friendly way.